I learned this cheat code to stop worrying, stressing, overthinking about everything in my life, and you just have to do one small thing to get ahead of everyone else who does still overthink, does stress about a million things that happen in their life. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy, and I just love sharing the things that I've learned along the way of me trying to become a decent human in life. And I just wish I had someone talking to me like this 1 or 2 years ago, even a few months ago, when I was quite lost in my life. So if you like the environment I am in, kind of like my voice, consider subscribing, because I post videos like these every single day. I don't have all the answers to life, but I've done some stuff in my life, and I actually learned a lot. And I learned the perfect way to not do this anymore when I was going to the store by myself one day. I spent like 30 minutes walking to this Royal Farms because I wanted to ask this cashier something. It wasn't that he scammed me or something, but I just wanted to ask him if I can have anything for free. I was tired of living in this little bubble of overthinking, stressing. So I go up to this guy that's working there, and I've been drenched in water from the rain that was outside, tired, and I just asked him if I could have anything for free. He almost gives me this look like it's a normal thing, to ask that, and then he was just like, yeah, sure, what do you want? And then I was like, can I just have gum? And then he was like, you sure you don't want a whole meal? And then I walk out that store with 8 pieces of chicken, a bunch of potatoes, a bunch of fries, and it just blew my mind because how easy that was, how I overcomplicated that thing, how I stressed about it, how I made excuses on why I shouldn't do it. And boom, I just asked, and I actually got what I wanted. It made me realize you can do so much in life if you just ask something. So if you almost dumb your brain down and just forget about all the little what ifs or things that might happen, and you just freaking do it, you're way more likely to actually remove all your overthinking and stop stressing about all these little poopy things that don't matter. Because the amount of times I just didn't do things in my life, I didn't talk to girls, I didn't go in my comfort zone, I didn't talk to anyone, I was pretty much a loser. The amount of years I've been living like that because I was just overthinking about, oh, what if this happened? What if this happened? Okay, what if I didn't talk to anyone for 5 years? What if I just secluded myself and didn't go out my comfort zone anymore? That's what we should be thinking about. That's what we should overthink about. The consequences of us not actually doing the thing that we want to do. That's the thing we should overthink about and contemplate and analyze if we're living to our potential or not. But don't overthink about all the small little things that just don't need to be overthought about. Just do the thing that you think about, and then boom, you talk to girls way easier. You ask people for free things a lot easier, and you actually make money from it. Because I actually got my first money online because I just asked someone if they wanted to do what I did. And if you don't know what I do, I just do coaching on helping people, like stop bad habits, quit video games, stop watching so much YouTube, relapsing, stuff like that. And I'm able to actually make money because I just don't overthink it. I just ask the freaking question, and then if they say no, whatever, boom, on to the next person. I like to think of the overthinking stuff as just drawing on the whiteboard. Every time we read a book about something or think about this, we're just drawing on the whiteboard. So we need to stop drawing on the whiteboard, overthinking about a million things, and actually just go in the field and implement what we want to do. We need to go in the field more. We need to stop whiteboard, drawing a bunch of plays, and actually just go and do it. Because you could be the best whiteboard drawer and you might have the best plays, but if you don't go in the field and do it, it's pointless. That's how you grow the most, and that's how you stop overthinking. Just go on the field and do something. So if you want an easy way to get on the field right now, join the like-minded club in the description right now and talk to someone in there. Introduce yourself, say hi, and put yourself out there more. Stop overthinking about, oh, what if I type this message wrong? What if I say this like improper grammar or something? Just say something. Join the like-minded club in the description and go out and do things in your life. Stop overthinking about little things that don't really matter. I know you can actually apply this in your life and get so much better. So stop drawing on the whiteboard. Get out there in the field. Do some crazy mistakes, do some cool plays, and regardless if you fail or not, you're going to learn from it. And then next time you get on the field, you're going to get a lot better. I really hope you can apply this in your life as soon as possible, because I could have talked to so many more girls, I could have talked to so many more people, and I could have been a lot happier with my life. So if you like the vibe of this video, spread this around the algorithm so more people can stop overthinking about all these little things, stop wasting up their expo markers drawing on the whiteboard, and actually go out there more and do cool things in their life. Like, comment, subscribe. I don't want to say those, but I don't want to overthink it. Just do those things if you want to also help people stop overthinking. So actually go out in the field and do something. Make a play, score a touchdown, score a banger goal. Don't overthink it, bro. You're doing great, and I'll see you later. Peace. Oh, bro, I swear if this didn't film, I'm gonna be so mad.